What do you do when you try making tepache, but you forgot about it on your counter? Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda. I'm so glad you're here. Please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you made tepache down in the comments below. Today we are talking about what to do if you accidentally forget about your tepache and let it brew for a few weeks or months instead of a couple days. And that's exactly what I did. I made this tepache, I have no idea how long ago. And if you want to know how to make tepache, I have a full video. I'll link that down below and up in the cards. It's very simple to make. You make sugar and pineapple skins, let it sit. I don't even know. I can't remember when I made this tepache. And so it is definitely not sweet. It's not bad actually, but it's on the vinegary side. So if this happens, do not throw it away. You can still use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour our sad tepache into another vessel, aka yet another glass jar I have refused to throw away. Okay, I don't want to make a mess here. So we're going to pour this into another jar. So what we're doing is we're getting out the skins from our failed tepache, leaving those in one vessel and transferring this into another one. So what we have now actually is pineapple vinegar. So you can see in here, these skins are definitely old. So I'm going to take those out, compost them, throw them in the garden. And now what I have here is a beautiful jar. You can't see it because there's a label of pineapple vinegar. And so what I do with this, I'm going to let it sit in the pantry for another couple months, get a good vinegary brew on it. And then I actually use it to condition my hair. So I'll mix about a quarter cup with about 4 cups of water and then pour that in my hair as conditioner. You can make salad dressing out of this. You can do other things with it. Use it however you use, like apple cider vinegar. And so that is what you do with your tepache. Don't throw it away. You can save it and repurpose it into something else. Thanks for staying. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.